Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show this video how to delete the files or folders. The system cannot find this file specified error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing the error, the system cannot find this file specified error, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open the command prompt. For that, you have to just click on the start menu and type here cmd. Then right click on this, then click on run as administrator. Click on yes to allow. Here you will type rd space /s space / then q space /, then type the question mark, single /. After that, just give the space. After that, you have to not give the space, you have to just insert the double comma. Then you have to copy the folder path. Suppose if this is the path, just right click on that, copy, then paste it here. After that, again you have to type the /. Now you have to copy the folder name. Suppose which folder it is not deleting, you have to copy that folder name, right click on that, copy, then paste it. Ctrl V to paste, then insert this double comma, then hit enter. That's it guys. So this way you can fix the system cannot find the file specified error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.